trying to find this book for so long, but I'm not reading this one. This one. Let's go. I have not filmed in so long. It really got to me. This semester was crazy. I did have a uni vlog halfway edited, but then I just wasn't happy with it, so I scrapped it. I have something even better lined up. Okay, drum roll. We're going to Japan! I did not sound excited just then. I'm going to Japan with my parents and Jenny, who you see in the vlogs all the time. But today is currently Tuesday the 27th of May, filming this because I don't know when this will be uploaded. So today is the 27th of May and we leave on the 29th on Thursday, and I still haven't packed. So we're gonna do a little pack with me section right now. This is the current situation going on with the suitcase. This is the suitcase I'm bringing, and this is my carry-on. It's just my black uni backpack. Just clothes, like random clothes I've been picking out throughout the week. Inside are my actual clothes I'm bringing, but they're not folded properly. I just dumped them in there. The current situation that's going on in my bag. We've got some jeans and all my clothes here. They're all like not folded. There's nothing on this side, I think. Actually, no, I think there are, but that's the inside of my bag. Now, I think I'm gonna iron the clothes that need to be ironed, fold and roll them. We'll see if I need to add more extra clothes or like take them out. But we're in Japan, so we're gonna be shopping and I don't want to carry a lot with me, so I'll be back after ironing my clothes because that's gonna be really boring for you to watch. I finished ironing all my clothes. These are my tops and these are like skirts, dresses, pants. I'm gonna fold everything and put them in here and then get like my pajamas and socks and other stuff. I feel like I have nothing in here. To be fair, the pants and skirts aren't in here yet. The amount of white shirts I have as well. Like, what is this? Anyways, it's okay. We're gonna burn away all our money in Japan. Uber is coming at 6:30. All I need to do now is fix my bed and then wait. It got me $5.50. So this is the airport fit. Okay. My forehead's so big. Hi.
Fix my face.
Border security.
It is now lane 57.
Didn't film any of the security stuff. They said no phones. Just we're waiting for boarding now. So much. She's sleeping. She's tired. We're still waiting to board. Wait, they have the wild robots. They have How to Train Your Dragon. Wait, they have some good movies actually. First meal. We made it to the hotel. Oh, we have to do the ticket. Oh my gosh. Wow. We're sharing a bed tonight, guys. Yeah. We're back in the hotel room.
We got an egg sandwich here and a matcha.
We want more food, but we're
gonna have it tomorrow morning.
Breakfast.
This was less than $6.
Bro, they were feeding us on the plane.
Bro, yeah, every 5 seconds, a new meal.
Cheers.
Ooh! Whoa. You're so gassed.
That's fire.
Your dad was gassing up the chicken. I was like, should I get it?
He was yelling in the convenience store.
Pretty milky, but I like it. Like, usually this is full cream milk there, so I'm not gonna drink a lot of it.
Oh, that's so good. Anyways, that's gas. That's gas.
So gas. And then tomorrow we have another egg and teriyaki sandwich and a blueberry and cream cheese sandwich.
I'm going to get ready for bed, and I think I'm gonna end the vlog here.
Yeah.
Low key. Sorry if it was all over the
Messy.
place, because it literally was. Anyways, yeah. Bye.
Tiddlers.
Bye.
You need to like blur out my face. Bye.
Hello. That was a really abrupt way to end the video. Clearly, we were both so tired, and I didn't have it in me to do a proper outro. The next 2 or 3 videos after this one is going to be more on my Japan trip, which we went on at the end of May. I feel like I just came back from traveling, but it's been like almost 2 months since I filmed all this, and and I'm just getting around to editing because not that I've been busy, but I've just been lazy. Footage has been sitting on my laptop and my phone, so I'm finally getting around to editing. That's all I really want to say. I'm gonna stop here before I keep rambling on. So stay tuned for more Japan vlogs and hopefully uni vlogs. I'm really praying that this semester doesn't crush me like the last, but yes, stay tuned, subscribe if you want to see more, and yes, okay, that's all I'm gonna say.